Samsung plans to build a $17 billion chip plant in Texas. Viva, Texas. Viva Las Texas.
It's a lot of business there.
Everybody loves Texas. Right now, Texas is hot. It's attracting all types of investment and interest. And this is how these things work. Like, what is Silicon Valley? What is it? I don't know. HP dug a basement over there at one time. And then Jobs' parents were interested in that. And then he was in a garage. Yeah. Like, what does it matter?
It's just people, really. It's just a hub.
Some land.
Hub of people, yeah.
Some fertile land.
Well, yeah. But it's the people that make it.
That's the fertility when it comes to tech. It's, the right innovators. And if the right innovators decide they're going to be over here, and meanwhile they're responsible for the employment of hundreds of thousands of people, you create a scene real quick.
Mm-hmm. And Samsung being in Texas is quite a scene.
It's one heck of a scene. The factory will aim to help boost production. I think Samsung's already in Texas, by the way. I think they're probably just increasing their investment. Factory will aim to help boost production. Oh, yeah, there you go. Of advanced logic semiconductors using phones and computers. Samsung said it expects building work to commence in the first half of 2022, and the site will be in operation second half of 2024, they hope. Total expected investment, $17 billion, the largest investment Samsung has ever made in the U.S.
Yeah.
Okay, that's noteworthy. Buildings, property improvements, machinery, and equipment. Shout out Samsung, shout out Texas. Having a time.